Good evening. I'm Dick Brennan. Maurice and Christine are off. The Centers for Disease Control says Omicron accounts for about 73% of new infections. And Mayor de Blasio is warning New York City to expect cases to peak within weeks. Here's a look at just how fast Omicron is spreading in our area. On November 26th, the day after Thanksgiving, the World Health Organization first classified Omicron as a new COVID variant. Since then, in little over 3 weeks, COVID infections in the tri-state area have more than tripled. Just today, New York State reported more than 23,000 new cases. CBS 2's Jessica Layton is live in Times Square with more on that. Jessica.
You know, Dick, so many people now are saying this feels like March 2020 again. But the governor today said this is not March 2020. It's not even December 2020. This variant is more manageable than those we've seen in the past. Today, she said the priority is the health of New Yorkers and the health of the economy. So with that said, we're not expecting any major shutdowns anywhere in the state. But she did acknowledge the problems with testing, especially here in the city. Take, for example, this site here in Times Square that still has long lines at 11 o'clock at night. Both she and the mayor saying today, we've got to do better when it comes to testing access.
With stress over Omicron dominating the days leading up to Christmas,
it is the fastest, fittest, and most formidable version of the virus that we have seen thus far.
Anxious people waited in long lines from noon to nightfall. The rapid spread of this variant has created extraordinary demand for testing.
There's about 200 people in front of me.
We are now testing, in fact, more people than ever. 130,000 plus daily in the city sites.
Mayor de Blasio says the city has 89 testing sites throughout the 5 boroughs and is adding 23 more this week, including in community settings like schools and libraries. Monday afternoon, Governor Hochul said the state is adding sites in the city and Nassau County, plus a surge of home kits that people will soon be able to order.
We just had an arrival of 1 million testing kits. We have another million coming next week.
New York's positivity rate stands at about 9%. It's 12% in New Jersey, where that state is partnering with Vault Health. The company will ship free at-home PCR tests to residents.
We are seeing these massive lines because almost everybody knows somebody who's gotten sick in the last few weeks.
And many of those are breakthrough cases. Senators Elizabeth Warren of Massachusetts and Cory Booker of New Jersey have both tested positive after being boosted. So did New York State Health Commissioner Mary Bassett.
She has tested positive through a COVID rapid test. She left the office immediately.
All seem to have mild symptoms. Doctors say the vaccine is still doing what it was intended to do, prevent against serious illness and death.
No vaccine is perfect, and especially against a foe like Omicron, but those infections are much more likely to be mild compared to maybe somebody who is not boosted or not vaccinated, who may have a greater chance of ending up in the hospital.
Something we've learned about the Omicron variant is that it does move quickly, so doctors are expecting we will all be through the worst of it in just a few weeks. But with that said, we still need to get through the holidays. Reporting live in Times Square tonight, Jessica Layton, CBS 2 News.
All right, Jessica, thanks very much.